Have you heard of Pan-Africanism?
Est-ce que vous avez entendu parler du panafricanisme?
There is something called East Africa.
Il y a ce qu'on appelle l'Afrique de l'Est.
There is something called Africa.
Il y a quelque chose qu'on appelle l'Afrique.
Have you heard of those?
Est-ce que vous avez entendu parler de ça?
We were asking our people.
On a posé cette question à la population.
Yes, we have heard. Oh, yes. Now,
Ils ont dit on a entendu parler.
if you have heard that there is East Africa
Mais si vous avez entendu parler de l'Afrique de l'Est,
and there is Africa,
et puis il y a l'Afrique,
they can buy your products,
donc ils peuvent acheter vos produits.
the ones which have got surplus.
Et là où vous avez la surplus.
But we need to organize ourselves
Mais nous devons s'organiser
with the other Africans.
avec les autres Africains.
So,
Donc
the people who are telling you to emphasize the tribe,
les gens qui vous disent de penser à vos tribus,
to emphasize the religion, sectarianism,
penser à vos religions,
you are your enemies,
ce sont les ennemis
enemies of your prosperity.
de votre prospérité.
So now love Uganda,
Donc il faut avoir l'amour pour l'Ouganda,
patriotism,
le patriotisme,
but also love Africa,
mais aussi l'Afrique.
because you need it
Parce que vous avez besoin de votre continent africain
for your prosperity.
pour trouver la prospérité.
So the second principle
Mais la seconde principe,
must be Pan-Africanism.
ça devait être le panafricanisme.
If you really want to, even if you don't care about others, even if you cared about yourself as a wealth creator, you would have to love Uganda, to love Africa.
Même si vous pensez à vous-même, normalement vous devez penser à l'Afrique et aux autres.
Then we added other principles.
Mais après on a ajouté les autres principes.
Socio-economic transformation.
La transformation socio-économique.
In order to benefit from the Ugandan market,
si vous devez profiter du marché de l'Ouganda.
Uganda.
Oui, yes.
In order to benefit from the African market,
et si vous devez profiter du marché de l'Afrique,
you must be a modern person.
Vous devez être une personne moderne.
Educated.
Quelqu'un qui est bien éduqué.
Sensitized about business.
Quelqu'un qui est bien sensibilisé.
So that you can produce products.
Là, vous allez vraiment faire la production.
Or services.
Ou les services.
That will go in the market.
Et les services qui vont aller au marché.
Because we had a big problem of people who are only producing traditional production of just producing for home consumption.
Donc, à l'époque, nous avions les gens du nord du Nigeria.
So, these are the people who are saying, please, for their own good, unite economically to solve the problem of prosperity.
Donc, on a dit à ces gens-là qu'il faut se réunir pour pouvoir trouver la prospérité.
Unite politically where possible.
Il faut se réunir politiquement si possible.
To solve the problem of strategic security.
Pour régler le problème de sécurité stratégique.
So we are saying third historical mission.
Donc, nous disons la troisième mission historique.
Use the brotherhood of the African people to build strength for their own strength.
En tant que les frères, il faut profiter pour créer une communauté forte.
Because we can build this, because our people are very close, or similar, or linked.
Parce que la population c'est la même.
Your professional military exchanges such as this continue to strengthen cooperation between our defense forces while promoting the exchange of strategic knowledge, professional experience, and best practices among African future senior military leaders.
un immense honneur et une grande joie pour ma délégation et moi-même.
It is a big honor on behalf of my delegation and on behalf of this college
D'être reçu à la présidence de la République de l'Ouganda par votre Excellence.
to be received here in the State House by yours, the President of the Republic of Uganda.
Je vous prie très respectueusement
I pray to you respectively
de bien vouloir accepter les salutations fraternelles
to
de son Excellence.
kindly accept the salutations from your counterpart, the President of the Republic of
Le
Mali,
général d'armée Assimi Goïta, président de la transition, chef de l'État, chef suprême des armées.
General Goïta, the President of the Transition and also Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces
Et du
of Mali,
peuple malien,
as well as the people of Mali,
à vous et à tout le peuple ougandais.
to you and to all Ugandans, Your Excellency.
Excellence, Monsieur le Président,
Your Excellency,
cette visite se place dans le cadre du voyage d'études de la 5e promotion
this visit is part of the study tour.
La délégation, qui comprend 37 membres, composée de l'attaché de défense,
The delegation which I have led is composed of 37 members, including the members of staff.
The purpose of
Interpret.
defense forces.
Nous avons l'honneur de coordonner transistors est arrivé le 12.
And has
Excellency, the first question I would ask here is that you experiencing the effects of the recomposition to control the natural resources. Enterprise Corporation, NEC, has made how can the countries which have created alliance like the one of Mali, Burkina Faso.
The first medicine for socio-economic transformation is joining the money economy in the 4 sectors: commercial, agriculture, manufacturing, services, ICT. Then the second way is education. That's why we introduced UPE and education. Because you can see, I got these ideas through education in the school system. Congratulate the organizers of the course, and from the report of the commandant, you have successfully finished your course. It is now my pleasure to pass you out.
Your Excellency, sir, one of the greatest lessons we shall carry with us is the importance of African unity. We have come to understand that before colonial borders divided us, we shared a common history, heritage, and destiny. We therefore leave this program identifying ourselves not only as Ugandans, but profoundly as Africans committed to contributing to a peaceful, prosperous, and integrated continent. We are convinced that a stronger Uganda strengthens East Africa, and a stronger East Africa strengthens Africa.
The focus or objective of the training was, unlike the previous one, which was intended to support the elections security mobilization effort. This one focused on implementation of the NRM manifesto. And we have continuously agreed with them that there is no way we can serve the people of Uganda except by serving royally the person whom they elected, who is none other than Your Excellency, our Commander-in-Chief.
On behalf of the security chiefs who contributed students for this course. Your Excellency, all of us, whenever we meet you, each time we learn many new things. Even tonight, when you have given us a lot of time, together with the 106 students, we have learned a lot, sir. And in your wisdom, Your Excellency, in your executive wisdom, you have turned the 14 questions into a golden lecture of opportunity.
We'll give just a very brief remark. Thereafter, much coveted and a much coveted photo opportunity. And then you will
propose it, and I will schedule your remarks and the others.
It is splendid, and we are.
The entities are how many?
Uganda kwa ukweli unapendeza sana, na kwa kuwa unapendeza maadui wako wingi. Na kwa kuwa unapendeza maadui wako wingi.
You are welcome, sir. We request the best performer